The next thing that we're going to do is we are going to show how tall we want these to be. So we are going to create the top from the top of that middle over. And again, this is going to be nice and light because we will be erasing this later. And then we're going to show the bottom for the left side. And then we're going to do the same on the right side from the top of that center line to the bottom. So it kind of looks like a triangle on each side. So this is going to help us determine where our letters are. And you can see that it kind of looks like the edge of a wall. So the next step that we're going to do is we're going to create our name. Any of the vertical lines in your name are still going to be vertical. They're going to be parallel to that center line there. Anything that would normally be horizontal, so if my letter T, I have a vertical, a vertical, a vertical, and a vertical. Those are still going to be vertical. But these lines here, these horizontal lines, are no longer going to be horizontal. They're going to go to your perspective point. So they're in perspective. So they're heading in that direction. And I'm going to use the top of this that I drew and the bottom as the top and bottom of my letters. Now, when I go to do this, I'm going to go ahead and erase this so it doesn't distract me as much. I'm going to space my letters out a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create the letters of my name. And again, these are on the left side. So all of those horizontal lines have to go to the left perspective point. When I'm doing them over here, they're going to go to the right perspective point because they're on the right side of this. So these should stay vertical. I'm not quite vertical. And if you want, feel free to use your ruler to get those right. So I'm going to let you go ahead and draw out your first name and your last name, leaving a little bit of space in between each letter so that we can see the alternate side.